Been struggling with FOREX. This is the easiest way to make money this week. Welcome back, everybody, and in today's class, I will show you how you can make money for this following week. Follow me and let's go into it. Last week, of course, I gave us some trades, and then I will be going back to them, so you can go and watch our last video. And then amazingly, all of them played out. People were like, "Thank you so much, coach. Thank you so much. Thank you so much," because everybody made a lot of money, and that trade was about 500 to 600 pips. It's ran all through the week. So this is another one. So come close and let's do this together, guys. The first trade for the week is Euro USD. Euro USD. I'm expecting two things to happen: either a breakout on this, then we can make the buy to this point, a breakout to this, or market comes back again for a buy. But I'm willing to that mid market is having breakout. I'm looking for a breakout on this. When market breaks out, then we test, then we can enter and then put our stop loss here. Enter the retest, then we can go far. Then we can enter somewhere around this point. That is what I'm expecting. A breakout. After has been coming here, bounce, coming here, bounce, coming here, third time. The fourth time is a break, retest, then we can enter. But if it doesn't, if it breaks below here, we'll be considering a possible short if it breaks below here. That is on EURUSD. My next trade for the week is another one is USDJPY. Expecting this to come down to form a double bottom, then I can long. Expecting to come down and form a double bottom, then we can long for the week. Then we can long for the week. Then we can long. Then we can long. That is on USD share. Can you see? So it's quite clean. We'll come back again, then we can long for the week. Can you see the pattern? Can you see the pattern? So it's possible we might break above this, then we can long. So I'm looking for that breakthrough as well. But I'm willing to take it if it comes back to this point from the double bottom of give me a empty confirmation somewhere around here, or give me something like this. Can you see something like an engulfing? I said sorry, a pin bar rather, something like a pin bar that shows that what market bar is injecting this zone. Then I'll be willing to, and I see an entry confirmation on my 15 minute time frame, then I'm willing to lock this and put my stop loss below here. I'm willing to lock. That will be like about, my stop loss will be about, that will be 20 pips. Yeah, that will be 20, that will be 23 pips. Yeah, then I'm willing to long. That is on that. Another one I'm looking out for the week is GBPJPY. GBPJPY, I'm looking for a long on this as well. But there is no confirmation yet. Nothing yet. So I'm expecting market gives confirmation. If it doesn't give confirmations, I will stay back. I will not enter this market, I will stay back. If it doesn't give confirmation, I will stay back. But with this confirmation, I'm willing to long. I'm willing to long at this point. Give me a confirmation, I'm willing to long on what? Market is touching my trend line, touching my cycle level, and again come back to the last low where we had conjunctions of other flows here. Definitely there should be a reaction. So I'm willing to long at this junction as well. Another one is EURJPY. EURJPY, we sold here, we made a lot of money. I should be longing as well. Let me see. Yeah, I should be longing as well. I should expect a reaction. The long share might be a short, a brief long. There should be a reaction for me to long to this point. Yeah, I'll be longing on you, but right now it's not matured. Probably the long will be a scalp depending on what I'm seeing on my entry. Your entry will tell you actually that's it. When you're entering a trade, that entry that you're seeing, that confirmation entry will tell you that this is a short or this is a long trade. That's what I need to know. So definitely your entering candlesticks, your entering confirmations and everything instruction will tell you that. So if you don't know how to call entering signal candlesticks, you can join us on our Telegram where we teach our students for free. We have free VIPs and we have some free trainings that we can give to you. Why not do this and learn this from us for free? So what are you waiting for? Join us right now. Look for the link on this video and join us on Telegram so we can teach you this as well. Another one, okay, let's go, let's do gold, let's do gold, let's do gold, let's do gold. I'm going to short this one at this point. I'm going to short at this point. I expect the market should have a retest down to this point. I'm willing to short somewhere around here. I'm willing to short somewhere around here. I'm willing to short. I'm going to short a moment from here. I'm going to short someone one here. I'm going to short I'm going to short AUDJPY. Yeah. So now I'm going to short all. I should wait for market to break all of this. 1, 2, 3. Break this stuff away. Then we test below. Then I'm going to short at this point. Either way, this is more clean. This is more good because this is risk free, which is quite risky. This one, I will not have to risk much. The trade is more or less 60-70%, while this one is more or less 50-50. So if I should put it here, when market breaks below the last low, I will need to short. This is more better for me. Yeah, I will need to short. I can just draw my stops here and then put my alarm sign on here. Once market brings my alarm sends signals to me, I will need to short. And I have my stop loss above here. So that will be about 32 pips. That 32 pips to catch over one something pips. That's 1:4. It's not a bad deal. It's not a bad business. That's not a bad business. Let me see. That's not a bad business. And to catch this, that's 1:3 rather. No, not a bad business. That's cool. So which other one? Let's look good for the last one. Let's go gold. The gold diggers in the house. How are you doing? If you have any questions, do not forget to leave a question for me, please. Leave a question for me. Or if you have any PS that you want me to analyze, can you comment or of course send us a DM. We'll be willing to do that. For now, there is nothing on gold. Nothing on gold for me. Nothing on gold actually. Nothing on gold actually. Let me look at it on the larger time frame. Let me see what the gold is doing. Just in the middle. I would have loved to buy here and I would love to sell. Just in the middle. For me, nothing on good at the moment. But once gold plays out, we see the structure. We'll definitely communicate to you guys on the group. For those who are on the group, I wish you good luck and I wish you profitable week ahead. Don't forget to always subscribe to the channel and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.